The moment you change your self concept, every single thing in your life changes. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Josna, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the number one trait that is required for you to manifest your dream life. If there is one single thing that I can recommend and something that I coach my clients all the time, then it is all about upgrading your self concept. Your self concept is that secret key to manifesting your dream life. Your life right now is a perfect reflection of your self concept. It's just how you see yourself at the core. All the beliefs you have about yourself, all the assumptions you have about yourself is what you see. True believer of the fact that you don't manifest what you want, you always manifest who you are being, and that is what self concept at the end of the day is. It is a self identity, the assumptions you hold about yourself. Because when your internal identity shifts, every single thing that you want in your reality automatically comes to you. You don't have to chase anything anymore. The opportunities, the people, they start chasing you, because that's the kind of magical results you see when you upgrade your self concept. I dive deeper about self concept in my course Manifest Instantly. So this is one of the videos that I'm going to be playing next that you can see. It's from my course, and it's just one of the many videos that I have on self concept. So definitely check it out. I will also leave a link to Manifest Instantly course if you do want to purchase. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. Self concept in simple terms to explain is the internal story, the internal dialogue, or the inner conversations you have in your mind about yourself. It is how you perceive yourself, how you believe and think others see you as. A lot of people get confused by stating that high self concept equals to arrogance, which is clearly not the case. Someone with high self concept is someone who has high resilience to also push through at bad circumstances or bad times. I am confident. I know I can get through this. I know I am good. I know I deserve good things. I know I deserve to be successful. I know I am worthy of feeling love and receiving love and giving love. This is how a person with high self concept would think. What you assume about yourself, or what opinion or beliefs you hold about yourself. Let's say you believe that you are a confident speaker, then that is the evidence you see in your outer world or in your physical reality. Each and everything will start conforming in my reality with the version of myself that I have in my mind. That is, I am a confident speaker, so I will start speaking in multiple events. I will start socializing with multiple people where I'm given the opportunity to speak on stage. The concept you hold about yourself, or the assumptions or beliefs you hold about yourself, is what is going to reflect in your reality. This is the second time that I'm reading Psycho Cybernetics. This is such an amazing book. It's written by a plastic surgeon who actually talks about how people usually come in order to get a surgery. They're insecure about their lips, they're insecure about some facial feature, or sometimes it's just for cosmetic glow up. Whatever the reason is, a lot of his clients actually come, and when they see the change that this person has done, either to their lips or to the face, whatever, they feel 100 times more happier, they feel more confident, they feel amazing, they feel and look beautiful. I'm not trying to tell you that everyone gets it because they have an insecurity, but the reason why a lot of people love plastic surgery, or they like trying to change their features on their face or try to get a new look, because subconsciously they believe that when they change their looks, they're becoming and shifting into this new identity, who all of a sudden feel like this new identity, who is beautiful, who has these physical appearance changes on their body, which is kind of reflected with the people around complimenting or appreciating their new change or their new look. You do believe that you are not confident, then that's the evidence you'll see in your reality. If you believe you are someone who is absolutely beautiful, you're super attractive, and people are always attracted to your energy and the way you look, then that is what your 3D will conform. What can you do to be this best version of yourself? Because having high self concept is basically you developing and becoming this best version of yourself right now. So for this, all you have to do is, again, rewire those thoughts, rewire your subconscious mind programming, which has been done for so many years in the past by other people's opinions, by what's happening in your surroundings or your environment, or what you have been consuming on social media, or other influences like movies, TV shows, etc. Do this by repetition. So the more you repeat a new story, a new narrative, a new identity of yourself in your mind, that is what you are going to see project into your reality. You can do this by just repeating basic self-concept affirmations. I have multiple self-concept affirmations that you can go through in my ebook. All you have to do is repeat them, affirm them in your mind. You can also listen to the robotic affirmation tape on self concept that I have. And your self concept will always evolve over time. Maybe today, my self concept is that I am like a good or a great manifestation coach. Maybe my self concept next year would be all about I am the most successful YouTuber. You know, like self concept can evolve with time, it can evolve with the things that you want to manifest, the desires that you have. Once you start telling you love yourself, you accept yourself, you feel safe to be your authentic self, that is when people will start falling in love with the authentic version of yourself. I believe a person with high self concept is someone who is very confident, very authentically themselves, and they're okay to be that way. You know, they have this relaxed energy of being able to embody, you know, their real self and being okay to express how they are and who they are, you know, unapologetically, not really concerned about, oh, wait, what is this person thinking? Or, oh, wait, I need to dress up like this because this person might, you know, be impressed. Like, no, you're not dressing up for someone else. You're dressing up to feel good, to look good, to feel confident. You are a star in your life. You are the creator of your reality. So why would you not want to dress well? The secret to success is actually in our daily routine and the daily habits that you have. So start embodying those habits right now as if that is who you are. So that is exactly what self concept is all about. You believe and hold a high or the best version of yourself, that identity in your mind that you see, you write about it, you develop this new narrative about it in your mind, and you delusionally believe that that's already you by taking up any small simple habits that you can. You want to have a great body, then working out, eating good food, developing these simple habits is what will lead you to actually believe that it's true about you. You know, this is all identity shifting, but doing identity shifting with practical steps of actually developing new habits. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked that video from my course Manifest Instantly. I have many videos like that, and if you do want to see results at lightning speed, you're tired of waiting, you're tired of being in that desperation, then definitely check out my course, because that course is going to give you all the practical steps that you need in order to rewire your subconscious mind and live the life that you always dream about. I have tons of success stories of people who actually completed Manifest Instantly. They started seeing overnight results. So check it out. I will leave a link to my course in the description box below. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. Make sure you embody the best version of yourself and always affirm that the universe has your back. Everything always works out in your favor and life is constantly rewarding you. Comment down below that life is constantly rewarding you to claim that energy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.